Are you searching for best PCP air compressor? Today I am going to review top 5 best PCP air compressor. I made this list based on my personal opinion, based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback, and other related issues. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. 4500 PSI 300 bar PCP compressor. 4500 PSI 300 bar PCP compressor. 110V 220V transformer 12V 30 MPa shooting air gun pump scuba diving. Number 2. NUOGE Power PCP air compressor. This paintball compressor features a convenient hand grip, easy for you to carry and store. Car battery and home electricity dual-use design allows you to inflate your airsoft gun anywhere and enjoy your paintball fun. Visible gauge design. This portable PCP compressor has a visible pressure gauge and a LED temperature display. It is convenient for you to monitor the pump at any time. Please shut off the pump manually when the pressure reaches 4500 psi or the temperature reaches 70 degrees Celsius. Fast inflating speed wide application. Powered by 250W brushless motor, our electric air compressor pump is capable of delivering pressure up to 4500 psi/30 MPa, suitable for PCP air rifles, air pistols, paintball guns, and HPA tanks. It takes about 20 minutes for the compressor to fill a 0.5 L tank from 0 to 300 bars and 8 minutes from 200 bars to 300 bars. Number 3. Electric high-pressure pump. Great product quality. This PCP compressor is made of high-quality materials, which is durable and has a long service life. Excellent fitting. The PCP compressor has stable performance and high reliability. It is suitable for most standard gas pumps, can be used with confidence. Special gift. This PCP compressor is a great gift for your family and friends, especially for diving enthusiasts. Number 4. TUXING TXES062 4500 PSI 300 bar portable PCP air compressor. TXES062 is a portable compressor with a winding portable device, easy to carry, working pressure of 300 bar/4500 psi/30 MPa, oil-free and water-free, and built-in fan cooling. It is powered by a 110V/220V socket and is powered by a 12V car battery. Number 5. TUXING TXES031 4500 PSI 300 bar PCP air compressor. TXES031 is a portable compressor, working pressure 300 bar/4500 psi/30 MPa, inflating speed 2800 R/min, designed with 2-stage compression. When the required pressure reaches, you need to stop the machine manually to avoid dangers. Suitable for scuba tank, PCP air rifle, paintball tank, diving bottle, air pistol, etc. High pressure performance. This compressor features a 1800W high-power copper motor and excellent inflation performance. The maximum working pressure is 4500 psi/300 bar. The inflating rate is 2800 R/min, and the flow rate is 35 liters per minute. Use accurate pressure gauge, sensitive reaction, easy to understand, shut down manually, fan and water cooling, overload protection, built-in oil/water separator.